Hello and welcome back. Did you know that your car has a secret port that holds the key to its health? Today we're diving into the Data Link Connector, DLC, used in OBD1 and OBD2 systems, and how it helps you check your car's status. So, what exactly is DLC? The Data Link Connector, DLC, is a special port on vehicles, functioning as the vehicle's USB port. Through this port, diagnostic tools can connect to vehicle control modules, providing access to onboard diagnostics and live data streams. The DLC helps diagnose technical issues, especially parameters relevant to emissions testing, and monitor the health of vital systems from the engine to sensors. This access to key performance data such as engine conditions, sensor readings, and error codes enables accurate troubleshooting, saving time and avoiding unnecessary repair costs. From the late 1980s to the mid-1990s, during the OBD1 era, diagnostic connectors were all over the place. Each manufacturer had their own design, different shapes, pin counts, even different locations. That made the whole diagnostic process really inconsistent. Then in 1996, OBD2 changed the game by introducing a standard 16-pin connector across all vehicles. That brought faster diagnostics, better consistency between brands, and support for multiple protocols to meet stricter emission regulations. So, what does the DLC look like? The OBD2 DLC features a distinctive 16-pin design arranged in 2 rows. Certain pins serve fixed functions. Pins 4 and 5, chassis and signal ground, ensuring a stable electrical connection. Pin 16, constant battery power, plus 12 volt, providing uninterrupted energy for diagnostic tools. Communication pins work in pairs according to protocol. CAN, or Controller Area Network, uses pins 6 and 14, that's high and low, for fast and efficient data exchange. VPW, or Variable Pulse Width, operates through pin 2 only. It's a single-wire setup designed for streamlined communication. PWM, or Pulse Width Modulation, uses both pins 2 and 10 with a differential signal approach. KWP, short for Keyword Protocol, mainly uses pin 7, that's the K line, while pin 15, the L line, is optional and not commonly used in modern vehicles. The remaining discretionary pins have functions that vary by vehicle manufacturer. Since OBD2 became mandatory in 1996, this connector is typically placed in a location easily accessible to the driver. Usually, you'll find it under the dashboard, near the steering wheel. On some models, the DLC might be located near the center console. Finding the DLC on your car is generally quite straightforward. And there you have it, the Data Link Connector, DLC, commonly known as the OBD2 port on your vehicle. Whether you're diagnosing a problem or preparing for an emissions test, this important connection helps you monitor your vehicle's emission-related systems. Thanks for watching. Drive safe. See you next time.